How to animate objects along a curved path in DaVinci Resolve. Right-click on your clip and choose Open on Fusion page. From Media Pool panel, drag your image and connect it to the output of Media in Node to merge it. Adjust the size of the image and move it to the starting position. Select Media in to Node and click on the Transform node to add it after that. Move the playhead to the start and click on the diamond button next to center to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to frame 60 and increase position values until your image is in the ending position. This will add another keyframe. Now we have this animation on a straight path. To make it a curved path, click on each of the points in the viewer to see its handles. Then drag the handles to add curve to the path. To smoothen the animation, open up Spline panel and check the Transform checkbox. Click on this button to see all the keyframes. Click on this button to select all the keyframes. Click on this button to add curves to the keyframes. At last, go back to the Edit page.